When having a Revit first workflow, you have the ability to take your Revit model that the designer had given you and export it directly into LightStanza. The way that is done is you'll go into your LightStanza plugin, you'll export to LightStanza, and once this window pops up, you want to make sure that your fixtures are included. And from here, you can click this Create Illuminance Grids on Walls and Ceilings. And what that means is when you bring this into LightStanza, it'll automatically have Calc grids on your walls and ceilings. If you don't click this, the Calc grids will automatically come in at work plane height, but this just makes it easier so you have all Calc grids associated with the room. I'm going to export just a single room. You can do the entire space, but for this purpose, I'm just going to do a room. Then we'll export. Cool, and so now my model is open, and you can see that it brought in the work plane grid, but it doesn't have the wall or the ceiling grids in there yet. And so what you'll have to do is go to your Illuminance grids. You'll click on this for the grids, and you'll want to click Associated Grids. And then you can turn all the associated grids on. You can turn some of them off, the ones that you don't want to include, but now you have all of your grids on in the space.